Hello, Amir here. I have designed this HR recruitment and selection tool using Google Forms and Google Sheet with the help of Google Apps Script. So these are the steps it takes to complete, and it is fully automated. So how does it work? It First of all, the applicants submit this form 1. So this is the submission mode, this is the design mode, this is the form 1, and there are many fields in it. And then also we have a field to upload the CV, and then the form submission. After the form is submitted, an application ID is automatically generated for each applicant, and the data is collected in the Google Sheets in form responses 1. Now the HR team and the concerned team in the company reviews and screens all the applications, and based on the decision taken, they like, for example, select and reject people. For example, I have added 4 responses, dummy responses. All of them are submitted by me myself. So for the 4, I made these decisions. Okay, I am the HR manager. So this is a setup sheet where everything is controlled from this setup sheet. And whatever we write, the hourly rate, the starting date of certain events, if this is the kind of recruitment drive we are going to do, and then screening decisions, what are the drop down menu options, different links, maps, images, etc. So after this, screening is done, checkboxes are checked to send emails, and the email sending status is automatically populated over here also, and in the email logging sheet also. As you can see, these 4 emails are sent just now. Okay, and I can also see from my email address whether I have received the email or not. Yeah, I just received it just now, 0 minutes ago. And this is the email address. This is the email I have got with the map location, with the image, right? And with the Google map location. And here included in this email is the form 2, link to the form 2, right? So this is the form 2 in the design mode, and this is the form 2 in the submission mode and data entry mode, right? So this is the form 2 where the HR team asks the selected candidates to submit more documents, more details, etc. There are 4 or 5 document upload fields over here. So form is submitted, and the form responses 2 sheet is populated with the form responses. I have submitted only one dummy response. Now the applicant ID 3 submitted the form, but there were 3 people who were selected, 1, 3 and 4, and 3 has submitted the form 2. So it means that 1 and 4, they have been selected, but and they have also been sent emails to send email form 2, but they have not yet submitted the form 2 with the required documents. So they will automatically appear in the reminder step. So this is the dashboard tab also, where we have everything, the different statistics, applications by location, by job role, by joining status, by application status, uh, and then joined by title, joined by location. And here we have a dashboard that flows horizontally. How many applications submitted, how many got selected, how many joined, what is the target for selection, and how many are still remaining. So this is the system. Thank you.